Whatever I put my mind to, I can do it. Breathing deeply in, exhaling, and say to yourself, I can do anything I put my focus on. Breathe in and then out. I free myself from whatever I think I can't do. Breathing. I push past thinking I can't and do it anyway. Fully in and out with air. I can do anything I concentrate on. Nice breaths. Whatever I put my mind towards, I can do it. I can do it. Good. Now imagine with your beautiful mind that you are gazing into a full-length mirror to reveal the version of you within the infinite possibilities, where you are fully confident, with an authentic, high self-esteem. The person in the reflection is truly you, yet in a reality where you tell yourself positive things every day, every moment. A life where you push past doubts and fears and go for it, despite what could possibly go wrong. Witness in your reflection someone with a genuine smile. Dignified posture. Breathing deeply and fully. Someone who helps others with their kindness and intelligence. Someone who loves themselves deeply. How do you look